Welcome to my YouTube channel about language learning. I have previously uploaded a video about tools and tips for learning English in 90 days. It will be helpful if you watch that video because this is the continuation of the previous video. So continue to watch this video till the end without skipping so you can get the idea of how or what you have to do in order to enhance your language skills. Let me start off by saying anyone who wants to learn English must set a specific but achievable learning goals. When I say achievable goal, mean you can say, I want to learn 5 new or 10 new vocabulary words every day. Or I want to watch 1 short English video every day. Or I want to chat with my friend 10 minutes daily. These are achievable goals. Also, dedicate daily study time. 30 to 60 minutes of focused study each day is much more effective than spending longer hours or infrequent hours. Prioritize active learning. When I said active learning, you must use your reading materials or books and read, speak aloud, write sentences, and actively engage with materials. This is what active learning is about. Focus on high frequency vocabulary. High frequency vocabulary means the word that we or everyone uses every day. Simple words such as, how are you doing? How was your day yesterday? Or how was the weather in your city? Where did you spend your weekend? How did you enjoy your weekend? These are the frequency words or sentences that you must start practicing and build confidence in yourself. In order for you to retain your vocabulary words in your mind or in your heart, you must use flashcards. Keep them with you, some cards, and create and review the flashcards for new vocabulary. Write some new vocabulary in the small flashcards and look at it and read it and practice them. Use spaced repetition for better retention. You may study the words now and leave it, and after 5 minutes study again. That is repetition. Label your surroundings in your house. Could be in your bedroom or in the kitchen or in the bathroom. Make sure that you write the names or the items in those rooms and place it on the wall or somewhere where you can visibly see them. For example, you can write a word in a piece of paper and put it in front of the mirror or headboard or cabinet or computer or bathroom. Any words can be placed in different places in different rooms. Watch English videos with subtitle. When you watch videos, sometimes it may not be easy to understand. So subtitle will help you to understand the content of the video. You may start with your first language subtitle and then switch it to English. And later, you may even watch the video without any subtitle and only English. Listen to English podcasts and music. Even if you don't understand the language or the meaning of the music, regular listening helps you with rhythm and pronunciation. Lots of people learn English by listening or watching videos about music and podcast. In order for you to practice English, you must find a language partner. There are friends who speak English can help you converse with you. It is better if you find a native English speaker who can practice English with you. That will give you some time to practice your English. Even if when you make mistake, your friend can help you learn English. So finding a language partner helps you learn English. When you are practicing English at home, sit down in a room and read aloud so you can hear your voice. Describe your day. Oh, I did this, I did that, I completed my work, I cooked today. So describe your day, your thoughts, or anything that comes to your mind in English. This will build you confidence. Keep a small diary or journal to write down what you have done from morning up to the night. This can be done at night before you go to bed. Write down some words or sentences of what you have done during the day. For example, you say, I went to school. I returned home at 4:30. I had my dinner at 7:30. I talked to my grandparents. These are the small sentences that you can write and read and practice. Language learning apps. Use of language learning apps can definitely help you practice, repeat, and listen and repeat activities can enhance your learning ability. Many online apps or websites or videos can help you learn the conversational English or grammar or other parts of language learning. So many apps can be interactive. That means you can say something, the application will repeat, give you the answer. You ask a question, the online app will give you the answer. In this way, you can definitely improve your English. Use a very simple book, children books, or short stories, or newspaper, news article, or written for English learners. There are so many material and articles are written for learners which you can start reading and build confidence. English pronunciation is part of language learning. Pay attention to how native speakers pronounce the words. And you can imitate the same way that they pronounce. You can slowly but steadily improve your pronunciation skills. Don't be afraid to make mistake when you have conversation with other friends or when you pronounce a particular word. Mistakes are part of learning. Everyone makes mistake when they learn a new language. Focus on communicating with or pronouncing a word, not a perfection. You do not need to be perfect when you speak English, especially when you are at the stage of learning the language. Learn the common English phrases that we use daily. For example, if your friend invites you for dinner, you can either accept his invitation or say sorry. If you accept it, you can say, thank you for your invitation, I will come. Or you can say, sorry, I can't make it this time, I will accept your invitation next time. Or if your best friend has lost one of his family members, you can say, I am sorry to hear the loss of your loved one. Or I'm sorry to hear your loss. These are the common phrases that we must practice every day. make sure that your phones or your any apps that you are using is in English mode, not in your mother tongue. If you are using the phone, keep all the instruction in English language, which means slowly and steadily you will learn those words or those conversation. Now, anything you learned in the past week or the current week or yesterday or today, you must revise and review every day. Repetition is the key to memory. When you look at those sentences, those words, and read them again and memorize it, it will sit in your memory, and that will enhance and support your learning. Make language learning fun. Enjoy when you speak English. Make sure that you like what you do, even when you make a mistake. So make language learning fun by playing games, video games, and listening to songs or watching movies. And while you are enjoying your favorite movies, you can learn the language. In this way, your language learning becomes fun. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Education, Innovation, Leadership, and click the bell button for you to get notification of my future videos. And thank you for your support.